This is all I have to do to take this tent down.
Okay.
What's up, guys?
Hi.
Welcome to Winter Blizzard. We thought what better time to set up a tent.
This is the Up 5 from RBM Outdoors, and this multi-season wood stove compatible hot tent could be the answer to all of your tenting needs.
I got my tent cards.
Oh boy. Get it on its own or with the matching Cayman SM wood stove and or the new 3-layer insulating floor, which not only prevents you from losing heat into the ground or the ice, but this one also has ice fishing access built right in. So let's get into it.
I'm so excited to get this tent up and see exactly how it performs.
This probably says don't use knives and sharp things, but
Yeah, let's see what's inside. So yeah, we have to apologize if the lens gets snow on it or whatever, but it's literally, yeah, it's winter time. Okay, number 1, ice cleats or ice pegs, ice stakes, rope. Is that what I think it is?
I think so too.
No way. It is what I think it is. The Fukuoka tool lives. This is pretty rad. We're going to show you this when we go to stake this thing down. This is like the Swiss Army knife for tenters.
These look like a little bit of inserts. Got some pockets.
Oh, cool.
Some are even look like they're waterproofy. A window insert, so we'll figure out where those go in a bit.
And they're conveniently camouflaged.
Yeah. Probably the
That's the door,
I think.
which is another reason these tents are amazing, is because conventional ice shacks have those stupid doors on the corner. This is a flap that opens right on the front, so we'll get into that. There's another pouch. Pegs, I'm guessing. And then the tent itself.
My dexterity's not great.
Yeah. Nice big bag for storage. Oh, and there's a book manual.
Ooh.
And then a big replacement. I'm guessing this is for the roof mechanism. Those will sit there for now. Thank you, Vanna.
There are 2 things that make this tent so unique. One is the mechanism that makes it deploy. It's much like an umbrella. Simply fold out the material as best as you can, send someone inside to the peak to grab the mechanism, and then that person stands and pushes open the umbrella, and voila, your tent is up.
That wasn't so bad. Now here's the other great thing. Is all this material, right? There's the structure of the tent. Well, this material drapes on the outside, and then you can come along and, cover it up with snow, really cement this thing to the ground. But that's cool. Now that the actual roof of the tent is up, I'll take you inside and show you the mechanism that is responsible for this structure. Okay, here we go. Coming on inside. So yeah, once this thing is popped up, now you've got this long mechanism that's sticking down out of the tent.
So we just
It's threaded into the roof.
unscrew.
There you go. Now that thing is out of the way. This is the one that you used to set up, right? We unthreaded that, and then we threaded in that little one that we found with the ropes when we unboxed it. That's where that little one goes. Is this mesh?
No, that one's not.
That's solid?
That's your solid. This is your mesh.
Oh, that one's mesh.
So you could still use this in the summer. No
Totally.
problem, just use all your mesh.
You get hunting blind out of this thing.
Say hunting blind would be.
Freaking hunting blind. With a wood stove.
You actually have a double layer tent, so you have a nice insulation barrier.
This is all the way around the tent.
Once your up tent is standing, go ahead and tie off the walls and stake the corners using the supplied ice screws if you have to. It will open so much more space inside your tent and really maximize the amount of room you have inside.
This is the factory floor that comes with the Up 5. You notice there's a perimeter all the way around the floor of the tent. It completely unzips from the rest of the tent.
What you got there?
Our good friend. Mr. Fukuoka.
So you have those spikes if it is poundable ground, and you've got the other spikes if you're drilling into ice.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly right.
Now that the tent is up, let's polish this setup off with the provided accessories that Kelsey pointed out earlier and install the most pivotal pieces. The heat source that makes this thing an all-season tent and the front door.
Outside of this tent, there is a Velcro strip.
Oh, okay. In the seam here, there's Velcro?
Yep.
Double-sided?
Yep.
Okay. And on the door?
Double-sided.
Double-sided on the door. That hinges right in there.
Not perfectly straight here, but
It's okay.
you get the idea?
I do.
Oh, wow. Okay. Check that out.
So much easier.
Oh, that's gonna work.
Hey, it's an auto-closing tent. Yeah, do that.
Tie those both back.
Tuck that in there, and now you've
This
got.
is a fun hunting blind. Like, what does this look like from the outside? Because
I can barely see you.
and I can see through pretty good.
This is completely camouflaged.
It's pretty cool.
The firewood's frozen, so
Yeah, everything's pretty cool.
we added a little extra degree of difficulty here. The optional 3-layered floor. Yeah. Take this one out, unzip it, put the new one in, and then there's 2 holes, and then it's 3 layers. It's an insulating layer, the outer shell, and then a foil layer, which helps hold like 98% of that heat in. So if you that paired with the stove, the tent, everything would be just perfect. Like you can get this tent, just the tent. You can get the tent and the stove. You can get the tent, the stove, and the floor.
Also, any tent that you have a some sort of a heat option in, whether it's a stove or propane, whatever, we highly recommend putting in a CO detector.
This little guy right here could save your life. We use this anytime we are using an external heat source like a wood stove or a propane heater. It's just not worth the risk. And wrapping this all up, just how easy is it going to be to get all of this stuff back into the bag? Does this thing come down just as easy as it goes up? But now when we're coming down, I grab this. That's all there is to it. Now I come along like this. I fold this in. Fold this in.
This is helping.
This is tenting.
Everything is really cold right now
Yeah.
because there's a big chunk of bag here that's empty. It just doesn't. There we go. Got it.
Nice.
For more information on this Up series and all the tents and accessories that RBM has to offer, scan the QR code on your screen or click our affiliate link in the description below.
Up 5. All the details, the small things, the little pouches everywhere. There's 5 walls full of pouches without even adding in the extras.
Yeah, you don't need a lot of extra clips or
No.
hangers or anything in there. Just a bunch of people looking for their next adventure, and that's what it's all about. So RBM, thanks so much for sending us this Up 5. We're going to be in touch with you ASAP regarding getting one of those 3-layer floors for this tent so we can take it ice fishing.
Yeah.
In the meantime, thanks so much for watching. I'm Bryce,
I'm Kelsey.
and we'll see you in the next adventure. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, let's throw this in the truck for tomorrow. Oh, we forgot a rope.
Let's see. I see that, but don't tell them that. Here, tuck it in.